guys, today I've got my sister here and we got a whole bag of candy from the shop. And I'm just going for random sweets, don't know any, let's go. Okay, I'm just going to rip this bag open, guys. So, ooh, there looks like there's 4 of these, and these, everything.
For these, so we can have 2 of each. And then there's 2 of these sweets, which was only 1 of each. So maybe you can have this orange thing, and I'll have this bubble gum.
So here are all of yours. Here are all mine. So I got.
So the colors are
Strawberry,
cola,
and I don't know. This is the Slimer one.
This is the slime one,
And these are Center Shock
green apple. This one.
Yeah. And there's Center Shock.
And right here I got some bubble gum.
I got random Easter egg.
Oh, that's the lolly supplies.
Oh,
Supplies by Chupa Chups. By the way, all these things are from Chupa Chups. So we've got Chupa Chups sweets.
Now I'm gonna let her have tried
candies.
this.
So we've got Chupa Chups gum, Chupa Chups scent chalks, and Chupa Chups. If you can see, look right there. Chupa Chups lolly surprise.
Yeah.
So
Shall we get started?
Yep.
So shall we start with this one?
So let's try it with the black center shock. No, I think I want to try with the strawberry first.
Okay.
This jumping strawberry.
You're jumping strawberry.
Oh, and they're in squares.
I think it might be pink.
I've only had the long center shock, so I don't know what these are gonna taste like. And they're
Maybe
not the
same.
sour ones. They're the ones that are filled with like these crunchy shock. I think it's.
Okay, let's have a try.
So I'm
My
scared.
mouth's watering now. I'm gonna bite into
Oh,
this.
it smells nice.
Oh,
It smells strong. It smells so strong. It does
Okay,
smell
guys.
like strawberry, and it smells sour.
Yeah. Let's bite into it.
1. No, I can't eat that. I haven't even been into it, and it's still sour. I
Bite
can't.
into it.
I didn't bite into it, but it's still.
Guys.
Not the moment. Slimy.
Let's move my chair over.
Inside. It's slimy. This smell looks like inside.
Water.
It's a slimy yellow. It's sour. It's sour.
That's Center Shock.
Center is shocking.
And you can swallow this.
Okay, I'm gonna eat the rest of this so it has the yellow bit.
And this is age 5 and over.
The middle bit isn't sour. I just squeezed out. It isn't sour. The middle bit isn't sour. It's the gum that's sour.
And it's not like that.
And by the way, guys, we're gonna do this last. She's gonna do a surprise last, and I'm gonna do my It's alright. Okay, I'm gonna take this out and put it away. I'm not gonna let you see.
Me too.
Because I don't think I want you to disgust yourself out. Okay, so there. Did you see me? Okay, so let's try the cola one. Cola.
I've tried the real long stick before. It's nearly as big as our
but
house.
it isn't. No, it isn't. But these ones are, those were just chewy gum. Those were sweet gum.
I just need to go get
sour
scissors.
gum. These aren't sour, so I'm scared. Super scared. Ooh, that does smell like cola. I wish you had, like, smell-o-vision. It smells so good. I wish you had smell-o-vision. Because it smells so good.
Actually, you all had smell.
You need to smell this. Open it and smell it. It smells too good.
I'm using it with my wrong hand.
Open it and smell it, please. It's ready. Oh, it's so convincing, like, for you to eat it. It's literally like convincing you to eat it. So, like,
Oh, that's not.
it's literally persuading me to eat it, like, in its own little way. Okay, we need to bite into it, because... Okay, so we need to bite into it.
Yeah.
Need to. I'm scared. It's too sour.
Why?
I don't want to. I haven't bit into it yet.
You like it?
I ain't even tasted it yet. I'm not using my tongue or anything.
Oh, squeezing out, guys. That's sour. Okay, you can just squeeze it out. Yeah.
You see all this? Oh, this middle bit it isn't sour. Just look onto it, it isn't sour. It tastes like orange though. It's nice. I'm gonna taste the rest. I love it.
It's so sour. Shall I just open up the black ones?
Okay. The back one. Okay. Super scared. Okay, I can't open this one for some reason.
Okay, here it is. That smells like a little bit of apple. Excuse me, your egg.
Yeah, green apple doesn't have a strong smell. Anyway.
Even though these are supposed to. But it's still a strong smell, guys.
Yeah, that has a green
Let's
apple
bite
smell,
into it.
but it isn't too. You always went into it before me.
It's sour, guys.
Oh my god, I just put my tongue in it and sour. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste nice. I just licked it and it doesn't taste nice. It doesn't taste nice.
She's serious. I am too. Okay, you got this.
This black one isn't gonna be nice.
They're all nice except from this one.
It's sour. This isn't nice.
I ate the whole thing.
So here's it. I still have the orange bit in. It isn't sour at all.
We have 3 left.
Okay. Then now I have one of each left.
Shall do challenge and try to eat them all in one go.
After? Because first we're going to try it all. He's going to open a surprise first.
Okay, guys. I shall check it first. Oh.
Okay, so show them which one's
So you can get all of these.
So cozy.
I'm going to have a look what you
Okay, let me see.
I got a purple one. So I got this purple one here.
It's squishy.
Okay, I'm going to open up that. I think they're just like squishy pops. I'll open one squishy pops.
Oh! Look at this one. Isn't this little jellyfish thing right here? Like Angel from Finding Dory, or like Nemo or something.
Let me see. Yeah.
Looks just like her, and just like a jellyfish.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
So I got this. I'm going to go and get something, see if it's squished on it.
Okay, so let's see what flavor of lollipop.
Wait, first I need
got?
to show them the squishy pop. So here.
Cool. So now let's see what flavor of lollipop
Wait.
you got. What flavor of lollipop did you get?
Let's have a look, guys.
You got my favorite flavor. And this bubblegum Tutti Frutti flavor.
I'm going to open up this.
And I'm gonna open up this. Try some candy.
Okay, this is so hard to open. I'm going to try to cut it open.
Yeah.
I think it's going to... What color do you think it's going to be?
Oh, look at this.
I think mine's going to be pink. What color do you think yours is going to be? Mine is going to be... What do you think my color is going to be?
Pink and white. Like a light pink and white.
Oh.
So this is how big the pieces are, and they're in individual wrappings. Guys, okay, this is a bit weird, guys. So the wrapping is inside and it's dug in. So look at that. It's a little bit weird and.
Okay, I need to cut this off.
Oh, the shape is very different. That's a different shape. I wasn't expecting the shape of bubble gum. I wouldn't really have my bubble gum in this shape, but it smells nice. So obviously, I'm gonna
go near it.
Does it change the taste? It's weird. Does it taste weird?
So here I just got.
That surely doesn't taste weird. That's nice. Oh, because I didn't take my fingers, and because I've had ginger shock in my fingers, it tastes alright. It's fun. Mmm. It's good. I just put my foot in the bin.
And let's see, just put all the rubbish down in there. Let's go.
Okay, so that was super yum.
I'm still opening up my lolly. Such a hard lolly to open. Who would ever want to open this really hard lolly? And the thing that you can do about it, you can just open it, pop it in. There you go, guys. There it is.
Oh! Let me just see this. Now just look at it.
Yeah. Now I need to open my cup and eat the lolly. I'm going to have a taste test.
I'm a lolly. It works on that little Pekins basket. Okay, guys, and you can also use this as a little surprise egg through the top. So, like, we can put all our candies in here.
I'm going to do that. Hey, no. So I'm going to put all my candies in here.
Okay. This bubble gum is really good and it's not losing flavor at all. Bubble gum's so good. Okay, guys, I don't think we have enough time for a challenge because we've just seen the time and I don't think we can have one.
We're going to do another video. Okay, guys.
Bye.
Bye.